Alrighty, here's your explanation for your SEL ABC signs. So A looks like the lowercase a with the circle and the line is for art. So your right hand is the moving hand, your pinky is your pencil, and it's drawing on your paper. B, just a flat forehand basically for breathe. So you move your hands out like you're taking a breath and then putting them in when you exhale. And then C, it's easy, looks like the letter C, for count. So you have your right hand is moving up your flat left hand. That means count. And then I showed you 1 through 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 starts at your pinky because it's the smallest one out of all of these fingers. So 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. D, oops, looks like the letter, there you go, looks like the letter D is for dance. This is like your person, so your right hand has the 2 legs for your person, and they're on the dance floor going back and forth. E, you can see it goes around like the letter E, is for eat. Just your hand is flat like you're putting something in your mouth. Eat. Fruits, this is for the letter F. Fruit, twist by your lip, and then V for vegetable, and you just flip it back and forth. F, you already saw that. It's also the same as number 9. So F is for fun. You have your 2 fingers put together from your nose to your hand. Fun, your right hand is moving again. Fun with friends. Just your X hand, and it bounces on each other. G, it's just your pointer finger and your thumb. G is for glitter cup. It's not really a sign for glitter cup, so what I did was cup. So your right hand again is like holding a cup and bounce it on your palm. It's like you're putting a cup on the table. Cup, shake, and then you can, it's fine to use your left hand. Use your middle finger and kind of shine it out like the glitter is sparkling from the cup. Cup, shake it up, and then you're sparkling off with the glitter. H, it's just your 2 fingers together, no thumb, just 2 fingers pushed together, is for hug. Easy, like you're giving a hug. I, it's your pinky finger for imagine. So it's like your thoughts are coming out of your brain. You know when you draw like a thinking bubble, they kind of bounce. Same thing. Imagine like it's coming from your head. And then J is your pinky, just draws the letter J. Is joking or joke, tease. So you have your X hand again. Your right hand is on top of your left hand, and it goes.
Evelyn and Lorelei Bailey to the front car circle. Evelyn and Lorelei Bailey to the front car circle.
So your X hand, the right hand is on top, and it's moving across the top. You're joking. Ha ha ha. I'm joking. K, so it's like the number 2, but with your thumb in the middle. K is for kick. So you have your flat hands. This is kicking. Put your right hand on the bottom, and then ball, like you're holding a ball. L, easy, looks like an L, for listen. It's like all the music is coming into your ear. Listen to music. So your left hand, your arm is out, and your right hand is just going back and forth like you're conducting. M, it's your first 3 fingers on top of your thumb. M, I think the word said something to do with muscle, but instead I think I just did because this is like relax. It's really the best way to show like your muscles aren't tense, but they're just relaxing. You're satisfied. N, it's just like M, only 2 fingers. N, instead of nature walk, I did, this is outside. So it's your right hand, it's going out, pulling away from you. It's an open hand and it's pulling closed. Out, so outside walk, really, because you're walking around outside. And then O, easy, looks like an O. It's for organize. We're just going to sign clean. So your right hand is on top and it's like cleaning off the surface of the table. P is just an upside down K. So your K was the number 2 with your thumb. And it goes upside down and you flip the palm. That's a P. P is for pray. Pretty self-explanatory. Q is you remember how G was like your pointer finger and your thumb sideways? Q is just pointing down. Q is for quiet. So you start like you're saying shh, then shh. So your right hand starts with the quiet and then both hands are like showing how calm it is. Quiet. R, just like Roger when he taps on his head. R, letter, first 2 fingers are twisted. It's for read. So your right hand is the number 2, like your eyeballs are going up and down the paper. Read. S, it's just a fist with your thumb on top. I can't remember the word off the top of my head, but we're going to sign, I think it was like self-talk. That's kind of a hard concept to convey. So we're going to do self with your right hand. It's like a thumbs up, but tapping yourself. Self. I think it was self-talk. And when you do that, you're like boosting your spirits, having positive vibes. So I don't actually know the English word for whatever this is, but you take your right hand and put it over your heart. Like, ugh, I'm feeling down and depressed about myself. And then, oh, feel better. So it's like a self-boost almost. Self. And then T, talk about your feelings. T, it's just like M, N. Now you're just down to 1 finger. T, talk, number 4 on your mouth, like ba 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 ba. Talk, and then feeling. So your middle finger taps your chest and goes, makes like a circular motion, taps your chest and comes out and around. Talk about your feelings. U, it's the number 2, but push together. U, unplug. So this is your outlet and this is the plug-in, and you're literally unplugging it. Unplug. I should have wrote down because I know I expounded. I think I did unplug, iPad, phone. So iPad is your right hand, your middle finger. It's like you're swiping your iPad. Pretty self-explanatory. iPad, phone, because our phones aren't like this anymore. They're like this. It's your cell phone. Phone, and then you just push it away. You've unplugged it and pushed it all and slid it all out of the way. Vision board. Typically in sign language, you're not going to do vision because it's not your eye board. So we're going to do a goal board. So your left hand is out and your right hand is like, I'm working towards this. A goal, and then board. Letter B hand just making a flat surface. W, number 6, and W are the same. W for write. So you're just like you're holding a pencil. You're writing. X, it's just the number 1. Your fingers curled. X for xylophone and music. So we'll do the music again. and then act like you're playing the xylophone. Y, I'm pretty sure you just spell yoga. I've never seen a sign for it. So we'll Y-O-G-A, and then we'll expound on it and do breathe and stretch. Stretch however you want to stretch. And then the last one, Z, you just draw a Z in the air and sleep. So your hand is open at first, like your eyes, and it shows them closing. Sleep, and then like snoring, that's where the Z's connect. You can, instead of one finger, you can do two fingers and kind of curl them a little bit and draw like you have two Z's coming out of your nose at the same time. It shows like you're snoring. That's it. Hopefully this explanation helps you learn it. Let me know if you have any questions.